Do you have a horizontal line in your Word document that you just can't delete? You try selecting it or pressing delete, but nothing works. That's because the horizontal line isn't an actual shape or object, it's a border. Here's how to remove it. Place your cursor just above the line. Go to the Home tab, and in the Paragraphs section, click the Borders drop-down arrow. From here, choose No Border, and the line will disappear. If it's still there, go back to Borders and select Borders and Shading. In the Preview section, you'll see a box showing where the border is applied. Either choose None or double-click the bottom borderline in the preview to remove it, then click OK. And that's it. The horizontal line is gone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.